Understanding crowd surfing, a dive into popular phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might have heard if you've ever been to a concert or watched one on TV. That phrase is crowd surf. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to crowd surf. When someone crowd surfs, they are lying on their back and being passed over the heads of the audience at a concert or event. It's like they are surfing on the wave of people's hands. This is often done by performers and excited fans to feel a rush of adrenaline and connect with the audience in a physical and dynamic way. The term crowd surf likely originated from the actual surfing on water, where surfers ride the ocean waves. In a similar sense, a person crowd surfing is riding the waves of the crowd. It's a practice that started in the 1970s and has since become a symbol of trust and unity at music events. Safety is crucial when it comes to crowd surfing. It requires the cooperation of both the surfer and the crowd. If you ever decide to crowd surf or are part of a crowd that's supporting a surfer, always be aware of each other's safety and comfort. Crowd surfing has become more than just an act at concerts. It's a cultural phenomenon. It represents a moment of freedom and unity, often shown in movies and music videos to depict the peak of excitement at an event. I hope you now have a clear understanding of what it means to crowd surf, and the exhilaration it brings to both the individual and the crowd. It's a unique way to experience a live event and become one with the audience. Until next time, keep learning and maybe try some safe crowd surfing at your next concert.